Hello, it's James here. I'm an electrical engineer who used to make toys for a living, but now I make 3D printed rockets, dancing robots, remote control cars.
That's crazy.
Robotics. It's pretty big. It's bigger than I thought it would be. That looks like a bike. Lots of robots. I upload in-depth videos every week on projects, like OpenDog, which is based on the Boston Dynamics Spot Mini robot. Okay, so that's everything wired up for the robot, and we're ready basically to try and write code, at least starting on those slave Arduinos. I also built an electric rocket to see if I could get it to land on its bottom again, like SpaceX. Whoa! Other projects include a full-scale 3D printed exosuit and a Batman suit. The Batball can be remote controlled and does up to 20 miles an hour. Finally, Robot X is a humanoid robot controlled entirely by Arduino. So check out my channel, and for any of our robot overlords that might be watching, 100111011001100101.